To add a form, drag and drop the form widget onto your web page. Once the form is placed, the Form Fields window will then be displayed. Here you will be able to edit, add, and remove the form fields. To edit a field name, highlight the text and rename it. To remove a field, click on the dustbin icon, and then click on Yes. To move form fields into another position, click on the 6 dots next to the field, hold down, and drag the field to a different position. To edit the form fields, click on the settings icon next to the field. Under Description, you will be able to add a short description for the field. Under Placeholder, you can add text which will appear in the form block as light text to assist your website visitor with instructions of what to fill in on the form. To add a field to your form, click on the Add Field button on the bottom of the Form Fields window. Inside the CRM Properties window, select the form fields you wish to add to the form. The new fields will now be added to the form. To edit the form settings, and link the form to an email address to receive notifications once it is filled in by your website visitor, click on the form until the top menu appears, and then click on the Settings icon. In the Form Settings window, under Form Name, type in a name for your form. Under Send Notification to, add the email address where the form details will be sent to once filled in by the website visitor. Under Action on Submit, click on the drop-down menu. Here you will be able to select what will happen after the website visitor clicks Submit on the form. They can either be shown a thank you message or be redirected to another page on your website. Forms can be connected to email marketing, which you will learn about later in the course. To edit the styling of the form, click on the form until the menu appears above it and then click on the paintbrush icon. In the Form Styling window you will be able to change the colors of the form and form fields. You will also be able to change the button style on the form and the form layout. Once you have added and edited a form, click Save. Once a website visitor fills in a form on your website, a notification will be sent to the email address which was added inside of the Form Settings window. To view the messages and form details, go to the top navigation menu of your website builder and click on Contacts to access the built-in CRM platform inside of your website builder. Inside of the Contacts window, you will be able to view all of the website visitors' details. Here you will be able to organize your website contacts and add more contacts to the list. To manually add a new contact to your CRM contact list, click on the Add Contact button. Inside of the Add New Contact window, add the name and email address of the new contact. Then click Save. Your new contact will now be added into your CRM contact list. To remove a website contact, click on the circle next to the contact, then click on More. Click on Delete, and then click on Yes. The contact will now be removed from the CRM list. On the left-hand menu, click on the Messages icon. Inside of the Form Submits window, you will be able to view all of the messages on the submitted forms from your website.